Alright, it is Sunday, July 7th, 2019 at 2:44 p.m. Alright, let's quickly take a look here at the National Hurricane Center. We have in the Atlantic, we have over Tennessee and Alabama. Right now, a disturbance 1 with 0% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. A throw of low pressure over the southeastern United States is forecast to move southward toward the northeastern Gulf of Mexico, where a broad low pressure area will likely form in a few days. Thereafter, upper level winds support gradual development, and a tropical depression could form late week, while the low meanders near the northeastern Gulf of Mexico coast through Friday. Interests along the northern Gulf Coast and Florida Peninsula should monitor the progress of this system. Alright, so this is going to basically go over the south here, over Georgia, head into Florida, and it's going to be here over Florida. Let's take a look quickly here. It says, we are watching a potential for tropical development in about 5 to 7 days in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Right now, the chances are low as there's not a lot of model support. Water temperatures in the Gulf are very warm, and conditions may be favorable for development. Stay tuned. So whatever the system is going to be, it's going to head into the Gulf, and it could possibly develop because of the warm waters of the Gulf. So that's something we have to keep an eye on. Alright, next after that, in the eastern North Pacific, we have Cosma, Tropical Storm Cosma, maximum sustained winds of 35 knots or 40 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 1004 millibars, located at 17.7 north and 118.4 west, movement northwest at 8 knots or 9 miles an hour. Then we have in the Hawaiian Aryan region, no tropical cyclone activity expected during the next 48 hours. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast models. This is a little bit of the GFS as it goes. I'm just trying to keep an eye on the storm that possibly happens over the Florida Panhandle and the Gulf area. As you see here, a storm getting close, a low over the Florida Panhandle area right here. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on. Alright, let's take a look also at the IR loop. Cosma over here in the below Mexico area, bringing rain to the region here. There is rain happening and storms happening over the Gulf, where this storm is supposed to happen near Florida, by Georgia and Florida here in the Gulf. And let's take a look at the Atlantic wide. There's no storms coming off of Africa, some rain, but no real systems. Let's take a look here at the Gulf of Mexico. Here is the region where this storm is supposed to start forming, if it does form. And look how much activity is happening in that region right now. As you see right there below Florida, all that activity happening. So this whole area is primed and ready for a possibility of a storm. If it does develop, I'll let you guys know. I'll make a video on it. Hit like and subscribe for more. See you guys next time, and God bless.